Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I will be dropping setups or trade ideas that I intend to take and also drop out the outcomes for you guys to see. So today I'm looking at AUD Today is Monday, this is 7 p.m. as you can see here, Nigerian time. So I'm looking at this pair. I've been following this pair since last week. As you can see, I caught the sell from this zone right here, and I just took my profit at this liquidity zone. So if I look at the higher time frame, this is 1 hour. I noticed that price is reacting from this order block right here, on this order block right here. So what I did is that I went to the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, to look for a shift or a confirmation entry to catch the buy, which is what I can see here. So as you can see, price first tapped into the demand zone here, created this lower high, and it came and it swept this low, and then it created a market structure shift or a change of character, anyone you want to call it. So now I am looking at, now it's pulled back and it's going up. So I want to take this as my inducement. So this is going to be my inducement. So ideally I should be using this supply zone, right? But I like to, in this case, I like to use the QMR entry. So I took this last candle that was swept here. I marked out this last candle that was swept here as my entry. And to further refine it, I went to the 5 minutes time frame to just basically refine that entry position, which is where I was able to, I just refined it. Okay, let me just take my entry, set it to, you know, the body of the candles, of the bearish candle. And that is how I got this entry. So this is where I intend to take this trade from here, and stop loss is going to be below this invalidation zone, which is this candle that swept the low and broke the high of that low. So that is it. And my profit target, or my TP, is at this zone. Why? Because when market started dropping, when it started selling from this initial entry, it created this lower high here, pulled back a little, swept the high, and then broke it, created this inducement here, and then dropped. So ideally this should have been, if I wanted to catch like a sell entry that time, I had, this was the zone I was going to take it from, here on the 15 minutes time frame. Out the candle, the last candle that was swept, right? So since it didn't pick, I'm expecting it to come and react from here now. So ideally I'm supposed to take my profits here. Okay, let me shift this. Ideally I'm supposed to take my profits here, but I'm just being a conservative trader, so I'm just targeting this liquidity zone here, which is going to serve, which is most likely going to serve as inducement for this sell here, for this supply zone. So it could serve as, let me mark it as the liquidity for this. So ideally I should be taking my profit here, but I just want to target. So this as it is, this is a 1:4 risk to reward, which is okay for me. I don't want to be greedy. So let's watch and see how it plays out. So in the next video, I'll be showing you the results of how the trade played out. So I don't know if it might decide to come and take my entry before going up, or it might not take my entry and head towards the TP. So we'll look to see if we'll catch the sell instead. So the next video you're going to see is going to be the results. If you like videos like this and contents like this is what I'll be putting out more on my channel. So do well to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, whatever you want to do, but do well if you like contents like this. So see you guys.